Hello folks, I wanted to share with you one of the foundation repair company cons, big cons, bullshit cons. And they say, hey, you see that gap underneath here? You see that gap underneath my trim? And see it goes solid up against there, and then it goes back up here. Well, they claim that this gap is actually needing to have your house is settling. Your house is not settling because of this gap. This is a con, this is bull, this is how they rip you off. Beware of these people. And you can see it over here. It's common. Why is this happening? Because every board has a little crown in it. In this crown, watch our About the House radio show. We talk more about it. But every joist and floor joist, every piece of 2x4, all of it normally has a crown of some sort. That means a raised up area and or bowed, however you turn upside down. This is what we're looking for right here. Look at this. This is normal. This is normal. This is not a foundation issue because of the different, and actually a lot of some materials coming out now are even a slight difference, an eighth of an inch, 1/16th of an inch, and so you're not going to get that. That is why on a lot of places, especially when I have vinyl and I have going to this base molding, and it happens. So you can see it in here too. We are supposed to caulk this. A lot of municipalities, for a code, makes you caulk the disc right between here and here, the caulking to the base mold to the floor. Anyway, I hope this helped, folks. I hope you don't get ripped off with this BS crap from these people. There's a lot of great foundation repair companies out there, but if they're advertising this and they're telling you this, then just know right off the bat, these are people to stay away from. They're horrible, just horrible. Anyway, thanks for liking our videos, folks. Hit like, subscribe. Please share with your friends. Let them know so maybe you could stop your friends from being ripped off by these con artists also. God bless you. Thank you for sharing, and we will see you on the flip side.